Welcome to LearnActiware.com, your resource for tutorials and trainings on the Actiware software and the ActiWatch devices. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss the installation and registration of the Actiware software. The Actiware software has a fairly straightforward installation process. However, I do recommend that you consult with your IT or IS group before installation. Often, you will need their assistance or permissions for installation of the software. Once you have consulted with your IT or IS group, you can simply insert the CD or USB drive into your computer. On most computers, an auto-run dialog will appear that looks like the one shown here. However, if this does not appear, you can navigate and open it by selecting the File Explorer, selecting the drive, and selecting CD menu. Select Install Actiware to launch the installation. Go ahead and select Next. Please do take a moment and read the license agreement before continuing. It will then ask where you would like to install it. The default location should work fine in most cases. And then select Install. The installation should only take a few moments. Once complete, select Finish. We can go ahead and close this window and our Explorer window as well. And we can double click on the Philips Actiware 6 icon to run the software. You may notice after you've installed the software, you'll be prompted to register it. To register the software, please visit our website at actigraphy.com, go to Solutions, Actiware, and Registration. Complete the web form below to request your activation key. You can locate the proof of purchase code on the back of your CD sleeve. Please do allow our team members one business day to process this request. Once you've received your registration information, you will select Enter Activation Key here and enter both the registration name as well as the activation key provided by our team. It is very important that both are entered exactly as shown in the email and that you must enter them within 6 days or they'll expire. Alternatively, you can also select Continue Unregistered, which will allow you full access to the software for 30 days. This is a fully functional demonstration version of the software. Please be aware, at the end of the 30-day trial, the software will stop working, so we do encourage you to register your software as soon as possible. The software will now launch, and it will provide you with a demo database with some basic sample data. I would recommend, as you proceed through these videos, that you retain this demo database. Once complete, you'll want to create your own database, which will contain your own subjects and data. In this tutorial, we reviewed the installation and registration of the Actiware software. Please find this tutorial and similar videos at www.learnactiware.com and visit us at www.actigraphy.com.